Hello student, myself Digan Sakhiwala, I am your science sir. Today we will start chapter number 12, sound. Dear students, sound is related with waves. So first we will understand what is called wave. Wave means disturbance in the medium is called the wave. Okay, suppose we have stone and we throw the stone in the water, then we can see the wave is produced. Okay, wave is mainly classified into two categories. One is called the non-mechanical wave, another wave is called the mechanical wave. Non-mechanical wave, the wave which do not require medium for the propagation, they are called the non-mechanical wave. Electromagnetic waves are the example of non-mechanical wave. What is electromagnetic wave? The wave which has electric field and magnetic field in perpendicular direction, they are called the electromagnetic waves. Light waves, which is produced from the sun, X-rays, IR rays, radio waves, these are the electromagnetic waves which are the example of non-mechanical wave. Another category of wave is mechanical wave. The wave which require medium for the propagation, they are called the mechanical waves. Sound wave are the example of the mechanical wave which require the medium. Suppose we can talk with each other, only reason is that air medium is present. Okay, we are going in universe or we are going in the space, at that time we are not able to talk, only reason is that the medium is absent. Okay, so at that time we have to use particular type of instrument. Okay, dear student, now we will go much more in detail about the sound. We hear the sound from various sources like human, birds, television, missiles, rockets. Okay, so many places we hear the sound. Sound is a form of energy which produces sensation of hearing in our ears. So in our ears, when sound waves are entered, then it vibration occur, and because of that vibration, inside of the eardrum is present. Okay, a screen is present, and that screen convert the sound waves into the electrical signal. Our brain interpret that electrical signal and we can sense the sound. Okay, sound also follow law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy means energy neither been created nor been destroyed, but it can convert into one form to another form. Suppose we are talking on the mic, at that time sound energy convert into the electrical energy, and then after by amplifier electrical energy is again converted into the sound energy. So it also follow the law of conservation of energy. Okay, dear student, we do some activity. For that we take one fork, we take pendulum, we take glass with water and fork, and other is we take the glass with water and fork. Okay, so first activity in that, when we vibrate the fork, at that time sound energy convert into the mechanical energy. Vibration occur, to and fro motions are there, and because of that reason sound energy is converted into the mechanical energy. Pendulum is going in the forward direction as well as come in the backward direction. Okay, same way when we take the glass which is filled with the water and we take the fork which is vibrated, so because of that vibration the waves are produced in the glass, okay, which is filled with the water. So actually waves are produced in the water. Second way, in that we take the fork in the perpendicular direction. Okay, and again the vibration occur of the fork, and because of that reason the sound energy convert into the wave energy, means waves are produced in the glass. Okay, in above activities we produce a sound by striking the tuning fork. So we strike the fork and we get the sound energy, vibration occur. We can also produce sound by the plunking, scratching, rubbing, blowing or shaking different objects. Vibration means a kind of rapid to and fro motion of an object. So vibration occur, at that time what happened, to and fro motion occur. The object is fastly going forward, backward. Okay, equilibrium position is also established, like that type of motion occur, that is called vibration. The sound of the human voice is produced due to the vibration in the vocal cords. So in our neck, inside of that vocal cord is present, and because of the vibration the sound waves are produced. Same way in the guitar, wires are present and vibration occur, and because of that reason the sound is produced. Same way in the fluid in that what happen, the different pressure of the air, okay, and because of that reason what happen, vibration occur and sound energy is produced. Okay, hello student, we are going to learn propagation of sound. For that we take one fork, and by vibration here we get the sound wave. So you can see that in the sound wave somewhere the density of air is more, that is called compression, and somewhere you find the density of air is less, that is called the rarefaction. So sound wave propagate by compression and rarefaction. Okay, we will learn in detail. Propagation of sound. Sound is produced by the vibrating object. So any object which are vibrating, they can produce a sound wave. The matter or substance through which sound is transmitted is called medium. So here air is a medium. We can consider the solid also medium, or we can consider the water or liquid as also medium. The particle do not travel all way from the vibrating object to the ear. A particle of the medium is contact with the vibrating object is first displaced from its equilibrium position. So what happened here, whatever particles are nearer to fog, they are not going to end position, directly end position. Okay, they are just vibrating on their mean position. Okay, and they give the energy to the adjacent particle and they are going in the forward direction. Okay, the particle of the medium do not move themselves but disturbance carried forward. So what happened, they are not moving by themselves. So whatever disturbance here is produced, that particle give the energy to another particle. So because of this disturbance, what happened, all the particles are disturbed, and because of that reason compression and rarefaction is produced. What I want to explain here, these particles, one particle is not going one point to the last point. Okay, just they are moving on the equilibrium position. Equilibrium position means what? Mean position. The particle of the medium do not move themselves but the disturbance carried forward. Compression. What is called compression? When vibrating object move forward, it pushes and compresses the air in front of it, creating a region high pressure. This region is called the compression or condensation. So what happened, because of this vibration all particles are come together, and because of that reason high pressure, high density region is produced, that is called compression. Rarefaction. When the vibrating object move backwards, it create a region of low pressure called the rarefaction. So same particle when come backward direction, at that time they produce the low pressure region or low density region, that is called the rarefaction. Compression is represented by capital C and rarefaction is represented by the capital R. As the object move back and forth rapidly, a series of compression and rarefaction is created in the air, and because of this to and fro motion, because of that reason we get the compression and rarefaction continuously, so we get the sound wave. Propagation of sound can be visualized as propagation of density variation or pressure variation in the medium. So what we can say about the sound wave? Sound wave, we can say that it is nothing but it is the difference of pressure. High pressure is called the compression, low pressure is called the rarefaction, high density is called the compression, and low density is called the rarefaction. So this is all about the propagation of sound.